Hi Year 4, it's Miss Mather here. Welcome to Term 5 at Ashton Gate. Unfortunately we can't go back to school yet, so instead the Year 4 teachers will be uploading short English and Maths videos every day on the school website for you to look at to see what you'll be doing in that week in English and Maths. These videos will help to guide your learning, so keep checking the school website because there might also be some worksheets to accompany them. So just keep having a look every day, Monday to Friday, for a new video and for a new activity for you to do in English and Maths. So I will be doing the English videos for you this week, and this week we will be looking at writing and performing poetry, just like we do in the Poetry Slam. Today is Monday the 20th of April, and today we will be looking at starting to plan the outline of your poem. Now, I don't know about you, but over the last few weeks I've really been missing school and missing seeing all of your lovely faces. So I decided to write a poem about my class. Also, I've been setting myself a challenge to improve my poetry skills because poetry is such an awesome skill to have. Now, this poem is meant to be quite a funny, light-hearted, comical poem. So what I'd like you to do now is pause this video and take a look at the video below this one, which is called An Ode to 4M. And once you've finished watching that poem, come back and rejoin this video. Now take a look at the following questions, get a bit of pen and paper and write down some of your thoughts and ideas. So by the end of the week, the Year 4 teachers would like you to have written a rhyming poem about school. Now we have a few rules about your poem. So rule number 1, it must be a positive poem. Okay, so lots of happy things, maybe things that you miss about school, your favourite parts of school. It could be to do with break time, lunchtime, it could be to do with lessons, maybe your favourite subject. Okay, so that's rule number 1, it has to be really happy and positive, maybe all the things that you've missed. If you're not sure whether it's positive enough, just check with a grown-up at home. And rule number 2 is that your poem must not mention anybody's names. Okay, so it could be a poem about any school. Alright, it shouldn't really necessarily be about our school, just a positive poem about school in general. Now your task today is to start thinking about what you would like to write about in your poem. Okay, you're not going to start writing it yet. Today is just the day to start planning, putting all of your thoughts together and deciding on the main theme of your poem. Okay, so it could be to do with your favourite times of day, it could be to do with maybe friendships, it could be to do with your favourite lessons, or maybe funny things that happen at school, maybe it could be to do with teachers being silly, okay, as long as it's a nice, funny, happy poem and it rhymes. Okay, so a bit of a challenge, but I'm sure you're capable of it. Alright, so just start planning today, write down a few ideas about what you'd like to be writing about in your poem. Now you might have noticed that in my poem, each stanza had a different theme, okay, which was to do with the times of the school day. Okay, so you can choose to do your poem like that, or you can decide on different themes for your stanzas. That's definitely something for you to think about today.